Hello friends, let me show you this new set of car seat organizers that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay, first you get two hooks for the headrest in the back of your seat. We're gonna try it, but these hooks are great because you can hang here whatever you want, a grocery bag, your purse, your jacket, whatever you need to hang in the car, okay? And these seat car gap fillers will help you to organize your belongings inside your car, okay? So you put them like this in your seat car gap between the seat and the middle part of the car. You can put a bottle here, a drink bottle here, or a soda can or a water bottle, and you can organize different stuff here, okay? Like cards, parking cards, your wallet, your phone, your keys, whatever you want to have in the car nearby, but organized and not everything in the floor, okay? So you get two, one for each side of the car. Okay. And as I tell you, these are great to organize your car. Let's try them. Let me show you, friends, how you can use these organizers. You just put them inside here. You can move them. And you can have here your cards, your wallet, your sunglasses. Hell, you could even have another bottle here. Okay. So I think they are really useful. You can organize your car, don't have everything in the floor. And you also get these hooks that you can install really easy, just like that, in your headrest. And you can hang here whatever you want, a grocery bag, your purse, your coat, everything. So nice accessories for your car, the organizers and the hooks.